Well, welcome the month of October. It was certainly nice to see the sunshine make its return today. Of course, the sunrise occurring now after 7 a.m. Kenneth Johnson captured that nice shot, and those clouds continued to thin out. Here's our current view as we look off to the south and southwest as seen from Scott Stadium. Sun now setting at 6:56. Of course, this is the last month of daylight saving time as we continue to quickly lose those daylight hours. 72, our current number at the airport, made up to a high of 75 this afternoon. Northeasterly winds haven't been all that breezy, a lot more gusty as you get moved closer to the coast. Air mass is very dry, and that sets the stage for a very chilly night tonight. 70, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 73 for the afternoon high. You can see most locations here across central Virginia still in the low 70s, some upper 60s to around 70 across the Shenandoah Valley. There's a look at the satellite radar combination. Again, quiet conditions. You can see some cloudiness, especially as you move closer to the coast, along with some gusty winds. But we have high pressure that's building down from the north, and we also have Hurricane Imelda, which will impact Bermuda late tonight and through tomorrow morning. The combination of that hurricane and the high pressure area creating, again, some breezy conditions along the coast, some gust topping 30, 40 miles an hour. And of course, rough seas will continue throughout the rest of the week. Temperatures here tonight are quite chilly. How about some lower 40s out to the west with some pockets of upper 30s here across central Virginia, some mid to upper 40s. The air mass is dry, the skies are clear, and the wind will lighten up. We talk about frost in the month of October based on climatology. In the Shenandoah Valley, it occurs a little earlier. Average frost, first frost of fall is usually around the 10th. In central Virginia, it's toward the latter half of the month, around the 26th. Of course, each year is different. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon, either side of 70, so pleasant conditions, all hallmarks of fall. You get the chilly nights and the nice, pleasant afternoons. We're going to remain that way through the end of the week, and the weekend looks good with a warming trend that'll get underway. Again, you showed you a satellite picture here. As we start tomorrow morning, there's our chilly start. The afternoon will bring just a few clouds, upper 60s, lower 70s. Another chilly start Friday morning, then Friday afternoon just as nice with numbers either side of 70. There's Imelda, and that's what's left of Umberto, which is caught up now in a frontal system. And of course, Umberto was instrumental in help spinning Imelda away from the U.S. coastline. And now what will happen, there's the track impacting Bermuda tonight and then becoming absorbed by that frontal boundary as well, as that storm will continue out across the north central Atlantic. But again, a lot of busyness in the western Atlantic. Mostly clear, chilly tonight. We're in the 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Some beautiful October days ahead. Only drawback is rain is needed with moderate drought conditions that continue across the region as we move deeper into fall. Perhaps middle of next week, we'll see some of those rain chances. But in the meantime, great weather to get outdoors.
All right, Eric. Thank you.
And don't forget to check up your forecast.